Oh. There. Okay, they didn't tell him. I thought they were going to tell him.
Remember me?
Hey, brother.
Motorplex?
Motorplex?
Yeah.
To be honest with you, my memory's fucked.
Papa.
Couple Croon and Burnouts.
Yeah, I talked to you up to 3.
Is it? Yeah. I go to all the couples of Croon and Burnouts.
I know you're from Armadale.
Yeah. What's your name, brother?
My name's Blade.
Blade?
Yeah.
Cool. Justin, nice to meet you properly. I'm going to the Motorplex later.
Oh, yeah?
You going or no? You just coming
we're
for this?
staying here.
Yeah. Fuck, I want to stay here, but I got burnouts at the Motorplex, so I'm going there. That's afterwards, though.
I'm actually going to bet if I want to go to this photo, I'll get kicked out.
You reckon?
Before I even get in.
Nah, don't do that.
I took this photo of him 2 years ago. I want to see if he remembers.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man. They told him that he's not allowed in there. And he just like, he pulled the thing off and he's like, I'm going in. He's going in anyway. He ain't give a fuck. The legend.
I've got one of them in my backyard.
Do you?
Yeah.
Cool.
I wanna buy it, but it's not my car, so.
Yeah. The legend out there, the peeps. My YouTube there. You saw it?
Yeah. I follow you on YouTube.
Oh, you already follow. Cool. The legend, the peeps out there. Bullshit starts at 1 o'clock now. What kind of shit is that, eh?
11. It said 11.
I know. But when you said fucking 11, I wouldn't even be here right now, probably. Gone.
Oh yeah.
Drive safely. I think I've seen Brother Boy there too. Pretty sure.
Thank you. Play hard wire.
Got his cameras out.
Another like 3 years ago. He's just a random
guy, yeah. Look at that green thing he got in there. They told him not to go in, he's still winning.
I think that's my favourite build when I was Barra GQ. Can't get much better than
A lot of people waiting. It's not good. Not good. I should have jumped in with him. That's what I should have done. I should have jumped in with the peeps. Look at that thickness.
I think there's a driving. I can't tell. Oh, I can't tell. It's either a GTR or a driving. I can't tell. Oh no, that's a GTR. They got like the same shape at the back.
Comes a red thing. What is it? I don't even know what that is. Let's all just run in there. Yeah. We got our tickets. We out. Looks like I gotta go for another walk over there, peeps. We'll be back. I'll be back. So that happens when you drink too much. You need to go to the toilet all the damn time. Some bullshit right there. Hey peeps! Hey brothers. Fucking toilet. I wish, like I said, there's one thing I hate about doing in life. You having to go to the toilet all the goddamn time? Some bullshit. You can hear a car too. You hear that? I gotta wait right here for that car. I like pee myself though. That's the thing. Let's wait for that car. Where is it? Nah, I don't think I can wait. I gotta go. And of course, when I go to the toilet, cars pull up. Of course. What else is new? Yeah. I'm going out.